So, Jeannie, let's talk now about short-term rentals because Governor DeSantis has said he is going to let the counties decide on reopening them. And currently, short-term rentals must be handled on a 30-day basis. So we've learned today that Jacksonville has applied for limited reopenings of the short-term rentals. So the plan calls for a 10-person occupancy limit in rentals, and it encourages social distancing as well as staggered arrival times. Nassau County tells us it also wants a 10-person limit, and for visitors from New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, or Louisiana to quarantine themselves for 14 days. And that proposal calls for 18 hours of wait time and cleaning between one guest leaves and the next arrives. Now, in St. Johns County, its proposal would require reservations be longer than the 14-day quarantine period laid out by the governor, and guests who would break the quarantine could face criminal penalties. It also requires a full 24 hours between guests and calls for strict PPE usage and for hosts to remove soft items like pillows and blankets. And we have reached out for our other local counties to get their plans. You can read all of those proposals on our website. Just head over to firstcoastnews.com.